Hey, it's Dr. Sean from Active Life, and I appreciate you checking out this page to learn more about our immersion course. If you're a doctor or a coach and you're here, it's probably because you're frustrated with the way that you've been able to help your clients in your gym or your clinic. There's a gap between training and doctor. Somebody who has pain when they're in the gym often goes to the doctor only to be told, stop going to the gym, when they went to the doctor because they wanted to be in the gym in the first place. For coaches, that becomes very frustrating because they don't know who to send their clients to. You can actually solve these problems if you learn how to fill that gap. For doctors, it becomes very frustrating too, because they don't have a coach who they can communicate with, and the first two questions that the client asks when they come to your office is, how long is this going to take and what's it going to cost? They want to be gone because they don't think that you're going to solve their problem in a way that's going to reflect what they want to do. They want to be in the gym, they don't want to be in your office. This is the solution for you to keep the client, to do the job, to solve the problem without having to just send them back to a coach who has no idea what's going on. And without having to tell them, ease back into things, only to have them show back up in your office 4 months later with the same problem because easing back into it wasn't specific enough. If you're a coach, a trainer, a doctor of any kind, and you want to go from just figuring out what's wrong with your clients and making modifications and staying away from exercises that cause pain, and you want to start getting to the place where you're actually able to figure out why those exercises cause pain and start solving for them, our immersion course is 12 weeks of intense video calls with a director of staff and myself. We're going to teach you from assessment to correction. Every single week, there's going to be assignments that you're going to do, quizzes that you're going to take to make sure that you're gaining the knowledge necessary. If you take our immersion course, you're going to learn how to bridge the gap between training and doctoring for your clients or patients. If that's what you're looking for, sign up.